Cheers, Dave.
That's why I want you to have your grip at the front. That's an unusual place to have your hand grip at the front, on the side.
Oh yeah, because if we're going to be running, I'm not going to be aiming down sights. You know?
That's Spectre arms.
Yeah, I should invest in that.
I've got 2 Spectre arms. E3, which has been heavily modified.
Well, they'll fit this.
That's been carbon fibre look handguard. The bow is supposed to be actual carbon fibre.
Okay.
Custom paint job as well. Well, grain powder coated.
Right, for me, I bought this off some guy that was on the in Portsmouth on the Navy base, right? Because he was going to get deployed. He's like, oh, I'm going to sell this off. So I got a good deal on this. I'm just happy to let it shoot straight, to be honest.
Spectre arms, I mean, I've got a Spectre arms Edge Point 2.0 E26 Mark 18 heavy upgraded as well.
Nothing like it.
But it's having feeding issues at the moment. So the tech's being sorted out. Again, it's stripped 4 gears, runs about 30 BBs per second. Yeah.
That sounds fun.
He did the word in the test fire when he's done the build, and the guy said, what the hell is that? That sounds like a beast. So I nicknamed it the Beast. When it works.
When it works. It's a bit temperamental.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
So he's got it. So once you've got it working, he said, have a couple of game days with it, make sure it's working perfectly.
Yeah.
And he's even done the build on this. Except the TDC.
Range good on that?
Between 85 and 100 metres.
That's not bad.
On 4.8s.
You can make a decent attempt.
Especially when you get a headshot, you get the bits twitch.
Oh, somebody got. This is why I started with covering as much of my face as possible. There's some buggers out there keep aiming right for the head.
Yeah.
So I don't like. Yeah, because this originally it's got like a mouthful in it.
Yeah.
I thought, yeah, I can have a little drink or something. What's the point? Nope. Nope.
Because one of the things you want to get an MP5, like same as the Special Forces use, SAS use, then get full the black kit.
Yeah.
Even know what I mean about the black kit.
I may have seen it before.
Black kit is basically what the SAS wear when they're doing rescue operations, hostage rescues. Full respirator, the black lenses, everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Eventually.
Yeah, I know. This whole setup I got from my mate who also was on a Navy base. So which he went up to the requisitions bit and went, oh, can I have another uniform? Oh, yeah, sure. There you are, mate. Oh, cheers.
Yeah, my nephew does that. He comes and works, uses work uniform.
Yeah.
He's Princess Wales Regiment, 1st Battalion. August he gets posted to Cyprus for 2 years.
What's that?
So that's where he gets posted in August. Cyprus for 2 years.
No, we got posted just outside of Egypt.
Oh, nice.
Apparently, yeah. He's posted on, I think it's either a small, I think it might be a mine hunter actually. He was posted on a carrier before, the one that parks outside of Portsmouth.
Yeah, Queen Elizabeth class.
Yeah. He used to do like jogging on it, and you'd see him run circles in the water.
Yeah.
Because obviously this thing doesn't appear on the map.
No, it's co-ed, but it's one period a week. Oh, you're with me anyway. You've got the on-call walkie-talkie. If something gets dropped in a classroom, Right, you walk till kick off and you have to go and collect the kid and take him to the
11 minutes.
right. Lots of schools run that sort of thing. Right, even good schools. It goes a bit wrong and it's better to just get them out.
Non-armbands are on the road.
How quick did you do it?
11 minutes 40.
Left?
Yeah.
She came home, she was like, I've never worked so hard.
Yeah. They were quite quick getting up through here.
Like you move the car, it's like running all over the school.
Yeah, because a lot of the AEGs want to stay in the boat. So come on, AEGs keep pushing forward.
Yeah, they kept their back line moving forward quite a lot, so their spawn moved up quite quickly with them.
Yeah, hold up for a second.
Listen guys, if you've got an armband on, if you want to make your way down into the village.
It's like driving back from holiday, that seemed a lot quicker. It's like, we're here, where are we? Yeah.
I'd say it's everyone.
Awesome.
We're doing the same thing, but just defending it.
Yeah.
Right. Do we have a guy waving in like a
No,
flag
so if
for
you die, you
respawn?
move back a field.
No, you'll be moving back a field. There'll be a marshal to direct you to go back each bit.
Is anyone near Joel at the moment?
I haven't seen him my end.
The officer, he looked at them, he's like, what are these? And my dad thought, oh,
Oh, James is going to break it now.
fine. We see the group at the back.
I have to readjust the hop.
But they are
What? Well, sorry, it was quite accurate. Lovely. Yeah.
I guess
Sorry guys, we're defending, we try to stay strong.
So guys, if you've got an armband, if you want to make your way into the village, just down the bottom there.
You need to put a cam mod on the, the spring guide.
Yeah.
Get a like Coke can or beer can, cut a bit of it off, yeah, and then you wrap it around the spring guide,
Alright, yeah.
and then put the spring over the top of it, and it stops you getting that poing, poing sort of sound.
So basically, just a little strip put over the spring guide.
That's
The
it.
can is at the crater field inside the building.
Don't tell them, we didn't tell the other team. Oh, I didn't.
Well, I did on the briefing.
As well, James, what you want to do is do that, and then also take the buttstock off.
Foam
Put
it.
Foam it.
Don't put, only put like rags and stuff.
Yeah, rags, yeah, that's what I mean, rags in there.
Yeah.
Then see some people, like the Scots pads, the strips,
Yeah.
put it round.
You know what else is good for that stuff for the inside the stock? You know the foam you get in the new gun boxes?
Yeah,
You get that thin foam like that over the top layer, don't you? Use that, that's what I use, it's really good.
yeah.
You can cut it down nice and easy as well.
So what I've done is separated it, and that's how I've done the camo tape. And that way, you just retape it. It's where the paint, you got to, because I've got the other ghillie sheet, I might actually do that as a cat wrap.
Yeah. Yeah, it works.
Yeah, I'll give everyone a reminder in a minute once we got all the players down.
Bye.
Where's my marshal? So you got one life this side of the track, one life this side of the track, then you're falling back to overgrowth.
Not Dartwood.
How are we looking for people, guys?
Circling heading down now. I'm still getting tricky down here.
You need to shake it better than Ben.
I meant the players, Barry.
Barry, we allowed to line up anywhere along here then?
Yeah, anywhere along the track.
Do we need to put you on right now?
Oh.
Yeah, that sucked. That fucking. Yeah, that's where I put stuff out there. Yeah, that's high upgraded. Come down here.
Oh, Thomas, I'm with you this game as well.
Shank him. Put your bayonet on.
You don't have a when we drive.
Just hear a hissing noise.
Yes.
Got his HPA line. Ah, you fucker. Yeah, no, some guy shot me in the throat last time. Your mag's fallen out, by the way. Your mag is right there. Frederick.
Too tired for this.
Oh, I just find a nice cushion and lie down. Frederick.
It's not.
Oh no, you've got mid-cap. Yeah. Give it, yeah. Right, give it this, man.